Hi all. Today we'll discuss about what are the IDEs there and which is required to work on Java platform. So what type of IDE when we use this IDE to use any project or any client work based on Java. So mostly we have three type of IDE which is used in industry basic. One is Eclipse, so that Eclipse you can add. Other we have as STS. STS is provided by this Spring framework. So we have a STS means a Spring tools, so that we have to download and there we have to start working on based on this Java Spring. So if we are using STS, then most of Spring related plugins will be inbuilt automatically, so no need to do manually. But if you used Eclipse, then you have to do. Other we have a IntelliJ idea. So this is also one of the famous IDE which is required to develop application. There are also many inbuilt libraries and plugins are there. If you want, you can go for this particular marketplace and just click on to install, so that will be applicable and directly you can start working on that. So these all are the three IDE which is required of Java application or any others also. If you want any is the fine, but right now depends on the company. Some of the company have Eclipse, some of the company have STS, some of the company have IntelliJ IDE, but most of the developer is use IntelliJ IDE, then STS, then Eclipse. So depends on that. Suppose if you want to install IDE of Eclipse, then this is the process where we can download this and then start working on that. So yeah, so what we'll do here, so download this IDE, click on this link for this Eclipse, and then any of the version you can download. Mine system is Windows 86, then we will go for that. Just click on this, and then this is for 86 and 64. So you have to download this IDE, and once you will download this IDE, that will go for your downloads folder. Open this, and then just if you have to extract this zip file, and then once you will extract this zip file, then direct we have a launching Eclipse options will be there. So you can start that, and after that it will ask some workspace path that you can give where you want to work, which folder you have created for the project, or what type of project you want to configure, where the path will be there that you have created, and then install. So what I have to do, first we have to check either my Eclipse has download or not. So you can go there and see. So what I have to do here, first I have to click on this Eclipse downloads. This is the Eclipse download. Here we have to click on this button. So it's showing thank you for download, and now it's going for, it's going for the download. So it will take some time. Once it will be downloaded, then we will work on that. Similarly, if you want for STS also will have a Spring tool suite. It's a framework of STS. STS come from a Spring framework. So there also is available for Windows, Mac and Linux, depends on your machine. You can do the installation. So if you want to download STS, then you can click on this STS link, and after that unzip this, and then unzip directly STS execution file will be there that you have to execute, and there also you have to mention workplace path. So once you will mention workplace path, then create to launch, and then your STS will be launched, and then you can start working on your project. So now I'm going to download STS. It's showing 4.4, maybe we will download from here parallelly. STS download. Eclipse has downloaded. We will see. See here, STS. STS download. We'll go for window, direct click on this. Yeah, so this is going for the download STS. So in parallel, what we do, we have Eclipse as installed. We will go for this Eclipse. So this is the Eclipse. Before that also parallelly we will start for this. So this is the STS which we have to download and install that. So this installation process already we seen how we will go for this and install this one, right? Just extract this one and then open the workspace path, and then that will be installed. Now if anyone want for this IntelliJ IDE, so that IntelliJ IDE also with the same way, so that we have a two version, which is the Express community and all is there. So if you want to install for this window machine, then directly you can click on this. We'll go for this exe file or zip file. Just if you want, you can. We have ultimate IntelliJ IDE, so and community. So these two is there. I'm going for this ultimate because community will ask some of the key. This is for 30 days trial. So just download, and it is going for the download. So once it will download, we will show all the installation process of IDE of Eclipse, and then STS, then IntelliJ. So this is the Eclipse. So once you click, because this is the execution.exe file is there, so directly you can click on this application. STS installer will open, and then that will be installed. So while installing, it will check the Java version. So Java is installed or not. So what type of compatible Java is there. So that is taken care or not. If not, then there will be some error or issue will come. If you have Java installed in your proper version with your machine, then that will be installed automatically. No need to do any other step. So we'll see Eclipse is going on, and parallelly we started download for this STS and IntelliJ. So STS is done, IntelliJ is going for. So we'll see one by one. So first, see in this STS Eclipse, see there. So why you want, so that will ask like what type of work you want. Either IntelliJ for Java developer, Java enterprise web, C++, embedded, PHP, and other. So depends on that, you can select. So I'm going for Eclipse IDE for Java developer. So click on this Java developer, and then try to click on this install. So once installed, it will be accept all, and then while accepting all, then this will be going for the installing. Parallelly also we can see STS is already, I think, downloaded here. See, this is also downloaded, and this is also extracted executable jar. So directly you can click and then start working on that. Even IntelliJ IDE is also downloaded, so this is also executable jar. You can click on that and then it will be installed. So one by one we will see. This is going to install, so it will take some. Once this will be installed, we'll see the path where I have to get the path. Yeah, so this parallelly it is still is starting to install of Eclipse, so it will take time here. So parallelly we will start on STS. So see here STS also has been downloaded. Direct click on this STS file. It will ask for this default Java binary, just one, and then it will start executing. See, but there is some errors while the system can't find the path of Windows C, because this is for system 32-bit. So we will again download this. This is not for a 86, I think, because my system is 86 and it's asking for 32. So we'll see again, else I'll download others. Here we can see STS Eclipse has installed. So you can click on this launch, and once you click on this launch, so see this Eclipse has been downloaded and installed successfully. So it will ask for workspace path. So I created the workspace path of inside the D drive, because in D drive we will have a Amarjit project. Inside that I'll be select the path, and this will be default. So once you create it, then there some of the this is the Eclipse which is downloaded. Now you can import that and start working on the project and whatever. So this is the Eclipse, and see this path I have chosen. Save this Amarjit. See this metadata has generated for Eclipse. Okay, now yeah, now we will start on STS. So what is the STS issue? We'll see. STS is see this is extracted. See user summary downloads STS 4.8. so this is already extracted here. So once you click here, then this is the path of application. Directly you can click on that, and then STS Spring Tool Suite will be open. So that way we have installed Eclipse STS. STS also it will take time like the same, because the internally they will install or call some of the inbuilt jar, and then we will go for this STS. Here also they are asking for this workspace, so the same workspace I'll give in D drive Amarjit project there and launch. Okay, so this STC is also working now. So this is the by default error. You can do go down, and here you can import the project and start working on that. So this is the STS. Before that I worked on Eclipse. Now we will start this IntelliJ. IntelliJ, this one, sorry, this one. So once you will click on this IntelliJ, so this is the free version. So if you want, you can also use paid, but some of the company organizations will give you the paid one only, because in organizations level they used paid. But here I am using for free one, so that free one will have a 30 days of trial. You will see. Asking for the path will be by default in C program file, and then by default click in install. That's it. So once you'll install, then IDE IntelliJ IDE will come, and there also you can start working on this any project based on the Java or any other thing. So this is right now famous because there are multiple inbuilt things already there. So just you can click and start working on that. Before that, STS is inbuilt of Spring framework. So most of the Spring related, Spring Boot related jars and other things features is already there. You can start working on that. And Eclipse, you need to add multiple things from marketplace. So that's why some of the peoples and organizations are not prefer this. So it depends on the requirement. We can do, all are good and fine. So we seen two things, STS and Eclipse. This is IntelliJ IDE is going to then installing, so it will take some off time. So once it will install, it will show you how we will start working on this. So this one, so this is downloaded and installed. Now you can click on this finish button, and then we will see this ID will be coming here. See, IntelliJ ID. So once you'll click here, then you'll get it, the ultimate version. Here it will ask for this accept this license. Once you will click on this accept license, then you will see the ID will be open. Now here you can select the activation code if you have activation code and all is there, else you can exit this and start working on this new project or whatever. So here you have the installation process document and link will be there. Start trial, you can click. This is license server. It will ask for the license activation code that I need. Activation code with me not there. So this I'm going for this try. If you want, you can register it will go for the trial and then start working on that. Yeah, that's it from my side, and you can click on the project. Yeah, thank you.